Blackview Xplore 1 is the epitome of rugged technology in 2025, a powerhouse crafted for challenging adventures, relentless fieldwork, and anyone demanding a virtually indestructible phone with extreme endurance and up-to-date features. Design and build quality. The Xplore 1's strikingly robust personality is immediately felt in hand, measuring 184 by 83 by 29.5 millimeters and weighing a substantial 638 grams. Certified to the highest standards, IP68, IP69K, and MEL STD 810H, it confidently withstands water, dust, impacts, and severe temperatures, placing it among the best in the rugged phone market. Every inch of its reinforced body is tailored for resilience, while its dual LED spotlight, putting out 170 lumens, ensures you're never lost in the dark. The design fuses toughened plastics, durable rubber, and metal, balancing utilitarian function with a futuristic rugged flair. Display experience. Front and back, the Xplore 1 redefines usability. The 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD offers vibrant visuals at 120 Hz, with a peak brightness of 700 nits that remains visible even beneath harsh sunlight. Gorilla Glass 5 and Mohs Level 7 hardness keep scratches and shattering worries at bay. Flip the device over and you'll find a handy 2.01-inch AMOLED secondary display set under tough Panda glass, perfect for quick glances at notifications and on-the-fly controls, elevating utility without draining the main battery. Performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset built on a 6-nanometer process, the Xplore 1 is as dependable as it is efficient. Octa-core performance, up to 16 GB of RAM, and storage options stretching to 512 GB UFS 4.0, with additional expansion via microSD, deliver impressive speed and flexibility. Whether using critical mapping tools or streaming high-res video, this platform, paired with Android 15 and DocOS 4.2, keeps your workflow seamless, even in demanding environments. Camera capabilities. Photography on the Xplore 1 is made for the unpredictable. Its 64MP main sensor, with fast f/1.8 aperture, produces crisp, detailed shots in daylight or dusk. A dedicated 20MP night vision camera, enhanced by dual infrared LEDs, unlocks clear imaging in total darkness, ideal for night expeditions or inspections. There's also an impressive 50MP front camera with phase detection autofocus, producing sharp selfies and high-quality video calls, rounding out a versatile image setup. Video recording maxes out at 4K, supported by effective digital stabilization. Battery and charging. The 20,000 mAh battery is nothing short of legendary, powering the Xplore 1 through days, if not weeks, of usage without breaking a sweat. Standby extends beyond 1,000 hours, while real-world calling, navigation, or streaming is measured in days, not hours. When power finally does run low, 55W wired charging fills the mammoth cell rapidly, with a short top-up providing hours of operational time. Reverse wired charging ensures your other essential gadgets aren't left powerless in the wild. Connectivity and experience. Modern expeditions require flawless connectivity, and Xplore 1 is ready. Dual 5G SIM support, tri-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, comprehensive satellite GPS, and even NFC for touchless payments. While there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, the loud stereo speakers deliver robust sound, and support for wireless FM radio, infrared, and OTG USB-C keep versatility high. The secondary display and glove mode stand out as quality-of-life boosts, especially for gloved hands or dirty conditions found in real field use. Final thoughts. The Blackview Xplore 1 stands tall as a technological behemoth, less a smartphone, more a survival tool built for those who refuse to compromise on durability or battery life. From its massive battery, durable exoskeleton, and intelligent dual display system, to night vision photography and advanced connectivity, every facet is engineered for survival and reliability. This device isn't for the faint-hearted or those seeking slim pocket convenience. It's for the adventurer, the first responder, and the professional who needs their gear to last, whatever the world throws their way.